Hi, this is Dr. Meeta, a practicing homeopathic doctor from Chennai, India. In this presentation, I'm going to give you certain facts on the diabetes disease and its successful treatment by homeopathic medicines. Let us see what is diabetes. Diabetes is a condition of increased blood sugar level in the body. What are its symptoms? There are main characteristic symptoms. Number one is the polydipsia. Polydipsia means there is increased thirst. You feel like drinking more and more water than the usual ones. Number two, polyphagia. There is increased craving for food, especially the carbohydrate. The rice eaters, they will ask for rice all the time throughout the day. There is polyuria. Polyuria means the increased frequency of urination. It is more found during the night time. More than 2-3 times you get the urging for urine. Number 4, fatigue means there is a lot of tiredness. Without any physical work or mental work, still you feel tired, you don't feel like working anywhere, anything. That is the condition of fatigue. Number 5, non-healing wound. If there is an injury or wound in your body, it doesn't heal despite of all kinds of antibiotic, all kinds of medicine, still it remains. Then you can suspect the case of diabetes. Sometimes these symptoms will not be there, still you find your blood sugar level is high. This is called asymptomatic diabetes. Asymptomatic diabetes you will come to know only when you test the blood sugar level in the laboratory, and you can suspect those people having this asymptomatic diabetes where the family medical history of diabetes exists. Before I take you more into the details of diabetes, I would like to show you some of the successful cases of diabetes being treated by my clinic. Well, some of the cases I will be showing you. Number one case where the blood sugar level on 14th of March it was taken, and it has shown the fasting blood sugar level as 177 milligram per deciliter. Number one case, and same case we will see after starting the treatment what happened. In the next blood test report, the same case, blood test taken on 18th of April. That is just less than 1 month of starting the treatment, and the blood sugar has come down from 177 to 120 milligram percentage. Now I will take you to the number 2 case. The second case, we have taken the postprandial blood sugar level PP, and it appeared 207 milligram per deciliter, and the blood test was done on 15th of May. And we'll see after the treatment is being given, homeopathy treatment started, and then after she was told to get the blood test done again. Here it is taken on 29th of May. 29th of May we have taken, and the blood sugar has come down from 207 to 169. PP has come down to 169. It is just in 15 days we find this response. Then I'll take you to another case, case number 3, where on 28th of February we have taken the blood test, and the fasting blood sugar level was found 176 milligram per deciliter. And we'll see next time after we started the treatment in the month of April 17, the blood test was again taken, and from 176 it has come down to 160 level. The same case we'll see in the next report, that is in the month of May also it was taken. Still it is found to be lesser, that is 154. It has come down again, still lesser. Then we'll see the Same case in the following month, where from 154 it has come down to 142 milligram per deciliter. That is our latest report in this particular case, taken on 12th of June. So these are the evidences which proves homeopathy successfully can treat diabetes mellitus. Now we'll go back to our slides. What are the recommended laboratory tests? The first is fasting blood sugar level, FBS. The normal range of this is 120 to 140 milligram per deciliter. If it is more, then you can suspect diabetes. Number 2 is PPBS, postprandial blood sugar level, which should be between 140 to 160 milligram per deciliter after the food. And if it is more than 160, then also we suspect of having diabetes. Not only suspect, it is the confirmatory case of diabetes mellitus. Certain conditions like pregnancy, lactation, that is the nursing mothers, the fasting, after having a very heavy meal, severe injury, your blood sugar level used to high. So those are the cases where we do not say you are having diabetes, but it is a temporary case of increased blood sugar level. What is the existing medicine system? In the conventional medicine system, it is well known that insulin injection is given to the body to fulfill its deficiency. Insulin is deficient, that is why diabetes is there. But if we supplement by injecting it from outside, we cannot say it is the cure of the case. For curing it, the body itself has to be made such a strong one which will be normally synthesizing the insulin instead of giving the external injection. So in my suggestion, homeopathy is that method of treatment which fulfills this condition of cure. Homeopathy has the scope of preventing diabetes as well as curing diabetes. Those who have one of the parents diabetic, they are 50% liable to get affected by this disease. And those who have both the parents diabetic, then 90% chances there you can have the diabetes disease. For prevention as well as for cure, homeopathy offers constitutional treatment. This is only the classical homeopaths, those who are treating homeopathy classically, they only can give you. So the successful cases what I have shown you, they have undergone this constitutional treatment. So if that way you proceed, then definitely it can be cured of. Regarding the diet, all root variety of vegetables like potato, radish, carrot should be avoided. Rice consumption should be restricted. Sweets should be avoided. Regarding the way of living, those who get easily excited or easily nervous, they have to take care of this mentality so that the stress hormone released remains normal. Otherwise, it will add to the diabetes case. You should have your dinner at least 2 hours before the bedtime. Go for a walk is a daily rule. And if you are an obese person, then exercise is a must rule for you. Along with the proper homeopathy treatment, if you take this mode of living and diet, then diabetes is not at all far from cure. More about me, you can see it from my URL www.drmeta.com. drmeeta.com. Even from my book, No Homeopathy, No Health, latest edition, you will find how the psychology contributes to diabetes. Thank you. Thanks a lot for joining me.